Namaste students. In this video, we are going to see exercise 8.2. First and fourth, in that fourth and fifth subdivision problem. Okay. Sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So first, sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Tan 45 degree is 1 minus cosecant 60 degree is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. And then secant 30 degree 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degree 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degree is 1. First write all the trigonometric values and then simplify the numerator and then simplify the denominator and simplify the numerator and denominator. Take LCM, that is 2 root 3. So here we don't have root 3. We have to multiply by root 3. The numerator as well as in the denominator. So root 3 into root 3. And here we don't have both. So we have to multiply by 2 root 3. And then here we don't have 2. So I'm going to multiply by 2. So the LCM will be 2 root 3. And 1 into root 3 is root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 2s are 4. And then here the denominator is 2 root 3 multiply by 2. Here we don't have 2 in the denominator, so multiply by 2. And then here into 3 into 3. And then here we don't have both, so 2 root 3. 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now reciprocal this one. Root 3. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3 into 2 root 3 divided by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 will be 3 root 3. Here we can cancel this 2 and the remaining is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4. Okay, so in denominator we have a root value. So we have to simplify this by conjugate method. Here we have positive, so I'm going to multiply with negative divided by minus 4. And then draw the bracket. Now multiply 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 plus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. One is in positive, another one is in negative. So first simplify the denominator. In the denominator, you can apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. A is what? A is equal to 3 root 3 and b is equal to 4. Okay, first simplify the denominator and then I will simplify the numerator. So 3 root 3 the whole square minus 4 square. And then 3 root 3 is 3 root 3 into 3 root 3. 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 9 3s are 27. So 27 minus 16. 27 minus 16 is 11. Okay, now simplify the numerator. Just multiply First term with first term, first term with second term, second term with first term, second term with second term. 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. First term over. Plus into minus, minus 3 4s are 12. Root 3. Minus 4 3s are 12. Root 3. Minus into minus, plus 16. First term with first term, first term with first term, first term with second term, second term with first term, second term with second term. Okay. Now 9 3s are 27, minus 12 root 3 and minus 12 root 3. So minus 12 root 3 minus 12 root 3, what you will get? Minus 24 root 3, minus 24 root 3, 24 root 3 plus 16. So this is a whole number and this one also whole number. So I'm going to simplify this one. 27 plus 16 is what? 43 minus 24 root 3. You can simplify, you can cancel anything here. No, we can't cancel anything. So write the answer as it is. 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Clear all of you? First substitute the trigonometric values and then if you have anything in the denominator, then simply take LCM and simplify. Then numerator separately and denominator separately and then divide it both. Okay, so the answer is 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Thank you. Next, fifth subdivision problem in the first sum, exercise 8.2. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 secant square 30 degree minus tan 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Formula. Cos 60 degree is what? 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So 5 into 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square plus 4 into secant square 30 degree. Secant square 30 degree 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 the whole square minus tan 45. Tan 45 is what? 1. 1 divided by sin square 30 degree is, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square. Next cos square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree is root 3 by 2 whole square. First apply the values, write the values and then simplify. First square this one. 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 square is what? 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1. And then 1 by 2 the whole square. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Simplify this one. This is 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by both the numbers are same. So take a LCM. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is what? 4. Then we can cancel the 4. Then what will be the remaining? 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 4 by 4. We can cancel 4, 4. So the remaining is 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Now take LCM. What will be the LCM? LCM is 12. LCM is 12. Then by which number we can multiply here? Into 3, into 3, into 4, into 4. We don't have 12, no, we don't have anything, so we have to multiply fully. Okay, now 5 3s are 15, 16 4s are 64 minus 12. Then subtract this two, 3 plus 64 divided by 12. Then the answer is 67 divided by 12. You can't cancel anything here, so keep it as it is. The answer is 67 divided by 12. Apply the values and then simplify. if you have anything in root 2 in denominator means you have to take a conjugate and you have to simplify. Otherwise you can take a LCM and you can simplify easily. For this problem the answer is 67 divided by 12. Are you all clear, children? Thank you.